the best lightening face kit that you can use to lighten and glow your complexion. Hi guys, I'm back with another interesting video. So if you're new here or you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and tap on the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed for more amazing skincare tips. And do not forget to also like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the best facial kits for lightening and glowing skin. After my last video on skin lightening glow sets, some of you were asking me what face care products can they use to complement the lightening effect they were going to get with this body care products. So that is the essence of today's video. I'll be walking you through the best face care products to lighten and achieve that beautiful glowing skin. So if you're ready to have that beautiful lighter glowing face, let's dive right into it. Now, I need you to understand something. When you're building a facial kit that will lighten and glow your face, you need to focus or look for skin lightening ingredients such as kojic acid, alpha arbutin, vitamin C, niacinamide, mulberry extract, licorice extract, and the rest. These are skincare ingredients that will guarantee you results when it comes to lightening and glowing your skin. They are not only effective, they are safe and suitable for all skin types. So it's always crucial for you to consider your skin type and concerns before adding any products into your facial lightening kit, because what works for Mr. A might not actually work for Mr. B. So in other words, we all have different skin types. So you always need to know or understand your skin type and your concerns before you throw in any products into your skincare routine. With that said, I've actually taken my time to handpick the best skincare products that you can add in your best facial kits for lightening and glowing skin. In other words, all the products I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is suitable for all skin types. And the first product you'll be needing in your best facial kit for lightening and glowing skin is Tiam Snail and Azulene Low pH Cleanser. This cleanser right here is amazing. It's a nice and gentle face cleanser. It lathers so well. In fact, a little amount of this actually goes a long way because it foams very well when you're using it to wash your face. I actually love the fact that this face cleanser is formulated with snail secretion filtrate, and it also contains azulene. So in other words, this cleanser is effectively going to help cleanse your skin and wash off the dirt on your face without compromising or damaging your skin barrier. The snail secretion helps with skin repair and hydration. This cleanser is effectively going to help contribute to the brightening effect that you're going to notice on your skin. Adding this Tiam face cleanser in your skincare routine is going to contribute to you achieving that brighter, glowing complexion. It's a gentle face cleanser and it gets the job done. It's suitable for all skin types and it retails at the cost of 7,000 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. I absolutely love this face cleanser because of how soothing it is on the skin. Now, the next or second product you will need in your best facial kit for lightening and glowing skin is this CosRx Propolis Synergy Toner. This is currently one of my favorite toners, and I'm going to be telling you why I chose to add it in this face lightening kit. This toner right here is packed with ingredients like propolis extract, honey extract, butylene glycol, glycerin, and the rest. And guys, if you know anything about propolis and honey extracts, you will know how fantastic this toner is. This is an amazing toner. It's so soothing on the skin, hydrating, moisturizing, and it's going to give you a healthy glow when you apply it on your skin. This toner is going to help prep your skin for other skincare products to be able to get into your skin. Like, this is one toner I've recommended for some clients, and guys, when I say they came back to say thank you, I'm not kidding. Like, this is an amazing toner, and all I'm going to say is that you should go test and see for yourself, because you're not going to regret adding this in your skincare routine. It's going to help smoothen your skin and nourish your skin. And adding this toner in your skincare routine will also help to repair and nourish your skin. It's going to help plump and keep your face glowing. Using this particular toner in your face care routine is going to help nourish and preserve your skin barrier. Believe me when I say this toner is simply amazing. It will nourish, hydrate, and glow your complexion. It retails at the cost of 9,500 or 10,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It's an amazing toner and is suitable for all skin types, especially for those battling with acne or oily prone skin. Now, the next or third product you will need in your facial lightening kit is this Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Facial Serum. Now, like I said earlier, if you're trying to lighten or brighten your face, you need ingredients such as niacinamide, vitamin C, and other skin lightening ingredients that will be able to boost and enhance your complexion. So that is exactly why I chose this particular Jumiso facial serum. This is an antioxidant serum and it's formulated with ingredients like vitamin extract, niacinamide, and centella. And guys, judging by experience, this is a very nice facial serum. It's going to help brighten up your skin. This is an effective facial serum. The ingredients in this facial serum is going to help fight and get rid of your dull skin, reduce your pores, and also brighten and plump your face. This is a very nice facial serum. And one amazing thing about this face serum is the fact that it glides in nicely into your skin and it doesn't make your face feel any form of greasy. So in other words, this is a very nice face serum to add in your facial lightening kit if you want to brighten and lighten your skin. It retails at the price of 7,700 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So it's an amazing face serum and it's going to give you that beautiful glowing skin. The next of what skincare product you will need in your best facial kit for lightening and glowing skin is this glutathione vitamin C face cream. Now, I know most of you must have seen this particular face cream trending on TikTok, but guys, I'm here to tell you that this is not just a hype. Like, this is actually what every kobo you spend on it. It's an amazing lightening face cream. It's going to help lighten your face, glow your face, and give you that smooth, spotless, beautiful, glowing skin. This face cream is not just going to lighten your face, it's going to give you an amazing glow on your face and also help to tackle any form of dark spots, uneven skin tone, or pigmentation that you may have on your face. This is an amazing face cream. And if you're someone battling with sunburn, this is a face cream that is going to help tackle that when you pair it in the skincare routine. Like, guys, this is a very nice and effective lightening face cream. If you're someone that is conversant with glutathione and vitamin C, you will know that glutathione helps to lighten and tackle any form of pigmentation or dark spots on the skin, whereas your vitamin C is going to help brighten up your complexion and also get rid of dark spots on the skin with consistent hues. Imagine when you pair those two ingredients together in one face cream. Believe me when I say this is a very nice face cream. This face cream is magic in a bottle because it actually works. It's going to help lighten and glow your face. Imagine when you combine this glutathione and vitamin C face cream in the same routine as your propolis extract, honey extract, niacinamide, vitamin 3 extract. This particular face cream and routine is not just going to lighten your face, it's equally going to help glow your face and give you that supple, smooth, and healthy face. So, in other words, pairing those face care products with the body care products I talked about in my previous video, you're definitely going to have an amazing glowing skin, especially this December period. So guys, do not miss out on this face care products. This glutathione vitamin C face cream currently retails at the price of 4,000 naira or less, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's an amazing face cream that is going to help lighten and glow your face. And the last but not the least product to add in your best facial kit for lightening and glowing skin is this Sunprice Mild Airy Finish Sunscreen. See, if you're using every other product I just talked about in your face care routine and you're not using a sunscreen, trust me, it's more like you're putting in the whole work but you're definitely not going to be getting the exact result that you want. So what's the essence of working hard without doing the right thing? My dear, if you want to maintain the whole lightening effect that you get from the whole product, you definitely need to use a sun protectant in your skincare routine. In other words, sunscreen is very, very, very important if you want to preserve all the lightening and glowing effect that you get with the other skincare products I've mentioned. So this Sunprice Airy Finish sunscreen is an amazing sunscreen that you can use to shield and protect your skin from the sun. If you want to prevent or get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or you want to lighten up your face and get your face to match or blend with your body, then you definitely need to use a sunscreen in your skincare routine. This Sunprice sunscreen is an amazing and effective sunscreen. It's actually affordable and suitable for all skin types, and it's going to help protect and shield your skin away from the sun. So if you want to maintain the whole lightening effect you get with your products, definitely use this sunscreen or add in your skincare routine. So this Sunprice Mild Airy Finish sunscreen refills at the cost of 7,000 naira or 8,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. You can use any other sunscreen that you have as long as it contains SPF 30 and above. So now let's summarize and talk about how to use each of these products in your skincare routine to achieve that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So first things first, you want to start off with cleansing your skin. You want to use your Tian face cleanser to wash your face, and immediately after washing your face, go ahead and use a paper towel to dry down your face a little and apply your propolis toner. Like, just take some drops of your propolis toner in your palm and damp it into your face. That way it's going to help prep your skin for the other skincare products to be able to get in. So immediately you're done applying that, give it a minute for it to sink into your skin. Go ahead and apply your face serum. Just take some drops of your Jumisol facial serum and apply on your face and massage properly into your face. Also give it a minute or 60 seconds for it to properly get absorbed, and then apply your face cream. And once you're done, finish up with your sunscreen for the morning. So for your nighttime face care routine, you need to also follow the same route, and that is to cleanse, tone, apply your face serum, and finish up with your face cream. Do not use your sunscreen at night. So that is simply it. Now, you need to understand that each of these skincare products I've shown you guys is dependent on one another. So do not take out one product and still expect to have that exact lighter skin as someone who is using the complete set. All those products, they work hand in hand to give you that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So yeah, that is simply it on the best facial kit for lightening and glowing skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.